Dad, do you mind filming them my pipe work I just did?
Sure, I can film the pipe work
It's
you just
hard
did.
work.
Okay, so we have an area all blocked off.
See this showing yellow pipe
We've done some pipe work here, laid down some piping. Oh, there's some sticking out right here, out of the ground. It's going all the way up there.
Oh, you not be too loud or too quiet so you guys can still understand me, but you like how me and Dad put our shovels in the ground? That's what we're supposed to. Anyway, see these springs at school? I use them all the time. Look, spot they holding on to us. So I can't really like do my like really explaining hand movement. Some of my videos. And it's the channel is really coming. It's been great. This video. And I don't know how many YouTube videos I've recently made all together. 100, I don't know. I never counted how many, but sometimes I do one. Sometimes I do. And it's very cool of the piping right over here. I want to show you. Right here. This is the yellow pipe we inserted. It keeps going to here. Okay, I should probably put that up. So YouTubers, there's a weed growing under the ground. We have put up these signs. One there, definitely. And then one over here. And then this is just the sidewalk. I've been explaining a lot with everything about that. Beautiful trees. Oh, yeah, there's a quail. Well, they're joking. And this tree is a bit bent. Oh. So, since I'm on the screen now, I can really show you. Down on my knees. Where is it? This is right here. And where's the pipe? Over here. Over here. Where was it? What was the show with the yellow pipe? Do you know where it was?
Deeper, buddy, deeper. Back a little bit. In front of your knee. There. Deeper.
There you go, this is where it was. Oh, I found the blue pipe. So here's the big blue pipe. So here it is. So you can see I put them underground.
Awesome.
Here's a stick. Funny, huh? Okay, anyway. Sand. Let's put salt. Let's put the sand on top of it so that it doesn't really like get too wet around here, okay?
Good idea.
So let's put some dried sand around the pipe. So that was the blue pipe, so this means the yellow pipe is going to be just
It's going to be way over here somewhere. You covered it. Where'd it go? Oh, there you go.
Here it is. And here's the yellow pipe. So this is probably going to be it for this video. I can put this back. Did you want to see me dig my shovel in the sand? Of course you guys do. So I haven't showed you in a very long time. And I haven't showed you being here in such a long time too. I haven't been uploading that many videos on the channel since. But I have to dig a hole back where I just excavated. I'm going to stick my shovel right in here. That's probably grindy in. My shoes are full of sand and bye now YouTube. We'll see you in the next video that I have to make a head